They call me the bag lady. I found that it's very convenient to have my supplies in bags. So holidays can be put in a bag, all the items that I need. I also want to make individual bags if I want to give the supplies for the individual students to work with. Either I, or if I'm lucky to have a madrich or madricha, will help to portion out all the supplies so I have for each student. So the colors, paper, crayons, and then I need to transport them between my house, from room to room. I can put them in larger bags. I'm going to store them in a container so that I can revisit the holidays. And also, if you are the traveling teacher, which I am this year, you can get a cart, which I put a cloth over it, place my items on the cart, and the kids are very excited to see me walk in with my cart and wondering what new items I have to share with them.